Welcome to Lakeside in this 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo. Step inside and find a meticulously updated home. From the custom built-in storage throughout, cozy fireplace, washer and dryer conveniently located near the bedrooms, to the dual-zone mini-split heating and cooling system. Every detail has been designed with your comfort in mind. The kitchen is a showstopper, featuring a unique copper hood vent and matching copper sink, as well as tons of storage. This condo is all about location. You're within walking distance to grocery stores and restaurants, and just minutes from the brand new Lakeside Public Library, the Lakeside Rodeo, and the serene Lindo Lake. With a 1-car garage, this home offers both style and practicality. Don't miss your chance to own this great home in the heart of Lakeside. Schedule your tour today.